heading to the beach tomorrow, so I'm gonna do my favorite travel hack. What I do to make sure that I do not forget any makeup on my trip is I do my makeup while I pack. Whenever I go on beach vacations, I just want really good hydrated skin. I can always count on the Road glazing fluid. I love the way that this looks underneath makeup while also keeping my skin really hydrated. Obviously going to need some SPF. I really love this Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydra Prime. This is a 2-in-1 primer and SPF, and I absolutely love 2-in-1 products for when I travel. For the days where I don't want to wear any makeup, just tinted SPF, I'm gonna take Dream Beam from Cutest. My pores lately have been like so noticeable. I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna take my Professional from Benefit my skin prep. I actually just started using the Kylie Cosmetics skin tint. I'm obsessed with it. We're definitely gonna bring this. All that I have to do today is a therapy appointment, so we're just gonna do light everyday makeup. The shade just reminded me that I definitely need to self-tan. And for dinners, I think I'm gonna want to do a little bit more coverage, so Armani foundation, my favorite summer product. This is the Makeup by Maria. This is the bronzing serum. It's perfect for beach days and full glam. Also gonna take my Stay bronzer. For true contour, I'm gonna use my Westman Atelier. My favorite part to any like vacation look is blush, so I'm gonna take a few. This is the new product from NARS. This is the multiple in shade Dolce Vita. Definitely a more matte formula, so this is gonna be good for my oily skin. Also gonna take this blush SPF from Naked Sundays, Glassy Cayenne House Lab, Joy from Rare Beauty. The NARS concealer I feel like is perfect for daytime and nighttime. I say that like I'm not taking literally 3 other concealers. Cutest Pink Color Corrector, Tarte Shape Tape, and Tower 28. I've been loving this brow pen. This is from Benefit. It just gives really natural hair-like strokes, but also need my NYX traditional brow pencil. Course, some faux freckles. This is from Tarte. The only powder that I'm going to take is this travel size translucent one size powder. My little travel size all-nighter spray. Glow is going to be the travel size Rare Beauty. It's a shade Transcend, so taking shade Flaunt. Just going to take one brow gel. This is from Anastasia. It's the Brow Gel Freeze. Love wearing bronzer as eyeshadow. This is the Makeup by Mario Blurring Bronzer. For today, that's all I'm going to do for eyes, but I'm going to take the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette and some of these Nude Sticks eye crayons. I love the new Cosas mascara. You guys seriously don't want to know how many lip products I'm gonna take. This is the Seichu lip liner stain, as I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'm also taking all of these. We have Patrick Ta, Kylie Cosmetics, Makeup Forever, Rose, and Refine. Obviously need the Kapari Sun Glaze. This is the SPF Setting Mist, perfect for vacation. I really only wear browns on vacation. I'm gonna do the Dior Brown Liquid Eyeliner, Espresso Stila. Okay, let's take this off. Summer Fridays, Bare Sand. Also taking Kylie Cosmetics, Say, Dior, and YSL. Okay guys, makeup bag is packed. You obviously don't need to take this much makeup with you on any trip, but I'm a beauty content creator and this is what I do for a living. Thanks for packing with me.